what's a YouTube channel? What do you mean? What have you got?
It's all about health and
About
good
health?
food and yeah. My handsome husband today in his other bamboo shirt. He had his black one on yesterday. Today's the green one.
Green day today.
Yeah, made from bamboo. And we've got a hemp shop that we have to check out later on.
We have to find it actually.
So it's always good to wear natural clothing. So where you can, try and find something natural. Bamboo is a great fabric and sells hemp. A little bit more expensive, but they last forever and they just feel amazing.
No chemicals, none of that crap in them.
That's right. And you look amazing, dear.
Thank you, darling. And you look gorgeous and
I know.
scrumptious.
We're so gorgeous.
I'll have the essential juice.
Sandwiches. No quiche, does that have cheese in it?
Yeah, they have got more cups.
It's a salad. Okay, so we got food from Pure and Natural. That's supposed to be a healthy alternative for people in a food hall. And Dave got a acacia berry.
Yeah, acacia berry, bananas.
And banana smoothie, but she pulled out all the golden circle juices out of the fridge, but she did put a banana in there. And then I couldn't get a bread that was vegan, so she did it in a bowl. And just look at that avocado; it looks disgusting. So that's just salad in a bowl. So
sometimes you just got to go with it.
Pure and Natural. Come on, we can do better than this. Really, I don't even know if I want to eat it, but anyway, there's no love put into it either. So there you go. Okay, the other thing I want to point out, like got a bit of carrot, lots of tomato, a bit of beetroot. Put that under here. Got some lettuce under there. A few pieces of cucumber and a bit of chili sauce and that was $16 something. Rip-off. Natural. It begs me to think what kind of salt is in there. I don't think it's Himalayan pink salt. Do you? No. It's probably table salt and pepper. So how can you sell that at a food shop that says Pure and Natural plus fresh 100% healthy food? That's not 100% healthy food just in that packet. Karma. And then Dave's shop. Coffees from around the world, and you can pick your coffee before they make it, and that you can even blend them together, or you can buy your beans or get it ground here. Okay, we're back at the Wellbeing Cafe. Now, there wasn't a vegan breakfast, so I just asked for some extras, like asked for mushroom, tomato, beans, and some spinach. And this is what they've come up with. How amazing is that? And that cost me about $8. My lovely here has got an acai berry shake. It's got banana, acai berry, and sorbet in there. And it's beautiful. Is it good? It's really nice. So this is sort of a really good vegan breakfast to die for. It'll probably keep me going all day, I would say. And here we are back in Kuranda. We've got the heritage markets here. Wow, they're amazing. It's not rotating fast enough. Little square one.
Before you said you like one of each, what's the other design you like? Dolphins?
Oh, beautiful. These look beautiful. Do you make all these?
None of the contents grow here. It's still humid.
Yeah.
They're made between Bundaberg and Brisbane.
Really?
Yeah.
It just looks amazing.
Yeah, not much grows in the tropics in the way of
Chilies?
European
Is that right?
vegetables, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Too humid in January and February is unbelievable.
What have we got?
An old crab pot is this around. So this piece is 100% recycled. Generally what I'm going to do when I finish it is put either glass foil beads or crystals, Swarovski crystals through the canopy. Sometimes I put them through the roots. It just depends what mood I'm in when I've finished
And you
it.
get the different coloured cable, which gives the tree a different look.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So what is it? A recycled...
It's washing machine engines and
Washing
electrical
machine-
cable.
You know, your wines and your electrical throws.
Oh, I already love that one she's making.
It scares us to death how much would this be when you finish?
This one is probably going to be around about the 400 mark, so not too bad considering there's hours and hours of work.
That's alright, yeah. You never get paid for your labour.
Of course not. No. These guys are 59, they're 39. The little ones are 25, regardless of their necklaces and or hangers. And then I've got some with Swarovski crystals, which are 29 as necklaces.
Oh, the little birds.
Fundamentally, knock it back down because otherwise it just
That's
depletes
alright,
the
because I
battery.
can't see a thing over from over this angle.
No. I'm just going to see if I can quickly find you some of the other big boys that I've created.
Is that a hoop pine growing through the side there?
That's another big one. You don't get a sense of size there.
Oh, look at that, bud.
That's the same sort of thing. It's in a crab
That's
pot as well.
gorgeous. Yeah.
Yeah.